Okay, so we're hiking with Ani, of course, and our friend Katie.
Hey.
And
it's
we
a
are.
Beautiful day.
It's the absolute most perfect day ever.
It is.
And so we are hiking, and it's amazing. But Katie doesn't know about the surprise. Maybe you don't know about the surprise either, but it's coming. A really interesting part of this hike is coming soon. We have here.
Oh man, it's a waterfall. Little creek.
This is like a beautiful little spot here, huh? And what else?
What?
Tell us.
What else I see?
Yeah. How do you feel? That's really what I'm trying to ask.
It feels great to be out in the fresh air, and it's wonderful. It's so nice.
It feels good to be outside.
It does feel great to be outside.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Look,
this is a pretty fantastic spot. What are you pointing to?
there is like a waterfall down there and down there.
I've been to Niagara Falls. I've been to some other beautiful places in the world with some big falls. This one is about the same size as Niagara. It feels so good to be out here right now.
It does. Feels great.
I know that many of our friends in different states are ordered to stay at home for I don't know how long, 2 weeks, 2 years, whatever it is.
I hope not 2 years.
I'm gonna say it's gonna be less than 2 years.
Yeah.
But while we have the chance, we're jumping on this trail. It's just so gorgeous. I mean, I feel like this could be the cure. This right here. This hike could be the cure to Corona. What do you think? You feel better already?
I do.
Yeah.
I feel healthy and good.
I think this is the answer right here.
Yeah.
Katie.
Hey.
Cheese. I'm taking a picture.
You're taking a video.
You're right.
You're not taking
It's a
a
video. What do we need?
Zip line.
A zip line.
Zip us across the river, frolic through the field.
I like
What would you do? You would tie onto this tree right here, or
Yeah. You'd go into those trees down there.
yeah?
Then you'd have to lay a couple. Well,
I think
get
you
creative
just.
jumping across.
I think you zip line. Almost said zip tie. Zip tie your zip line here,
Okay.
and you zip tie your zip line on the other side. And I think as you climb on with a like a handle, like a
Hanger.
coat hanger, but you have to zip tie it. Zip tie it.
Okay.
And I think you leave from here and you just take off, and right about there you just drop into the water and do a backflip. I think that's an excellent idea.
Gotta aim through. The trees are making like a little V.
So what do you think? Should we go to the hardware store right now and get zip ties?
Let's do it.
Okay, let's do it. I have a surprise for you.
Birthday cake?
It is birthday cake. And you find your birthday cake right down there.
In the cave.
Right down there, you can find yourself all the birthday cake. What do you think, huh?
Breeze coming up is really cool.
I know.
I know
It's
it's
very chilly.
it's like a cold air coming out.
Yeah.
What do you think? Should we go in?
Yeah, do you got a flashlight?
We're gonna go in and search for cake. Don't leave home without it, because you never know when you'll find a cave. Let's go.
Man, it's such a cool breeze. Coming from, does that mean it goes a long way?
I guess so.
Well, we saw the fence on the other side.
Oh, I'm sorry, ma'am. Oh, wow, this is cool. Okay, let's go. I'm checking to make sure there's not like a snake or something in the way.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Look how crazy this is.
Yeah. It opens up, it looks like.
Watch the ceiling.
You okay? Yeah.
How does that look on the camera? It's not overexposed.
I think it's good.
It's slick.
Okay.
It's like Mo Slicky. Oh my goodness, look how cool this is.
Shine the light.
How could this be in our backyard and
I
I didn't
know.
even know it?
It opens up into a big room right
The
here.
line tights happening.
Hey, Brock, can you shine some light for us?
Oh yeah, I guess you need light.
We need light.
Here, I'll follow up.
Okay.
How's it look on the camera? It's really dark in here, but
It is dark. It's okay.
Okay. You need help down?
I'm good. I'm just getting my flashlight going.
You could take the
There you
stairs
go.
or the elevator. How in the world did we find this?
I don't know.
Like there's no signs or anything. We're just walking through the woods and we find this. This is, I mean, we're not the first ones, but I'm just saying.
I know.
This is so great. Look
It's
above.
amazing.
Look above.
That's cool.
Can you see it on the camera?
Uh-huh.
Oh man. Look at the sides. Look at the walls right there on the sides.
Oh, there's a cricket up there.
Yeah, I see it.
Flashback to science class.
This is unbelievable. Look at this. You can actually see it
Wow.
dripping. Does it look okay on camera?
I think so.
Are you kidding me? Look at this.
Is it? Whoa. That's awesome. It's like a little...
Whoa. Hobbits live in there.
Yeah.
This reminds me of, okay, we're going.
Okay. Let's see what happens.
Oh man, this is gorgeous. Look up there.
Uh-huh. Can you get through there?
Are you taking pictures?
I just
Please.
did one real quick there.
Please take pictures because
Can you get through there, Brock? Maybe maybe I should go. Here, why don't you hold the camera up?
something's growling.
Nah.
I see like a bunch of brown fur.
I think it's your stomach that's growling.
Don't you get stuck. Then you might have to, we might have to wait a few days for you to lose some weight before you can get back out. Whoa. Shine light.
Okay, we're having a whole lot of fun in our little cave that we just found,
This
but it's
is
starting
cool.
to get tight.
Let me see if I can go a little further. Can I get past you? You can put
Here,
your back
let's
up
try
against
it.
that wall.
Let's try it.
Turn it, leave the light
Flashlight
on.
just broke.
Did it break? Are you
I
kidding?
can't get the flashlight to work.
Are you just kidding?
Hold on, let me try it. It must be out of battery.
Are you serious?
The flashlight. Uh-oh. Flashlight battery just died.
Dark. Remember that time we died in the cave?
I'm trying to get the flashlight to work. I think the battery's dead. Oh well. We'll see you guys when you get out.
Uh-huh.
I got jokes. Oh man, this is great. What do you think?
It's awesome. Is it tight over there?
Yeah, it's tight. You can get by
Let
though.
me see if I can get
Come on
I
by.
can get through.
Yeah,
Okay, let's see.
you can do it.
Okay, we're in for one more.
Yeah,
Yes.
come on in. Sorry.
Ooh, it's tight.
Yeah, come on.
My
come
mom
on, come on
would
in
be
here.
freaking out.
Your mom would love this. We're gonna take her here when she comes.
She doesn't. Oh, I gotta hold on.
Okay.
Turn on my flashlight. Oh, it's like a little seat in here.
Keep on coming.
All right, guys.
Woo!
the world goes bonkers, this is our hideout.
There's like a little room over here. Here. I'll, like,
Hey, so
ladies'
I
bath.
can't go any further because my knees are hurting, but what are you finding down there?
it kind of opens up just a little bit past here into like just a little area, and it goes up high.
Oh, it does?
Yeah. You could probably
But it's real tight right here.
Stand
Yeah,
up.
yeah. You want me to get the...
Yeah, past the... Here.
Here, I'll just do this. I can do the flashlight. Let's see. Let's see. So, see, I'm sitting in this little room, and then it goes all the way up there.
How high do you think it goes up?
I don't know. Maybe 10 feet, you think?
Yeah.
And one thing we were saying is, I haven't seen any bats, which is awesome.
Yeah, it's really clean.
It's really clean. I totally expected to see critters and bats.
They probably have somebody come in and clean it every day.
I mean, it's Sunday, so they probably cleaned it, Friday.
They
It's
probably
awesome.
cleaned it,
This
yeah.
is so cool.
This is legit. I've done some hiking that's been fun walks since being in Tennessee, but this is the best, getting in the outdoors experience since being here. So
This is amazing.
Awesome. It's
this
amazing.
was the surprise that I had for you.
this is
It's
legit.
But I've never been in here. I didn't know what was...
This was an even better surprise than you realized.
Hey, if other people show up down here and they hear voices, we're probably going to freak them out.
We need to start growling to really properly freak them out.
Yeah, yeah.
Arr, 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 arr.
Oh gosh.
Actually, had kind of an echoey ring. That was
Yeah, it was eerie.
a good thing this guy's been super shaky. 'Cause...
Oh, it feels good to laugh.
Probably do a deep evil laugh, like an echo.
I don't know if I've ever done that before.
Oh,
Can you
yeah,
do one?
Me?
Yeah.
Shh.
I can.
There's people. Let's freak them out.
April Fools come early.
Let's freak them out.
What are you gonna do?
I don't know.
They may or may not go back this far. The voices are getting closer.
Oh, that's so creepy in there. Let's go, bud. Jack, no, what's going on? Yeah, let's go. What are you talking about? Jackson, we need a light. That's not Jackson. There's literally, you can, bro, all it is a cave full of bugs like that. No, it's not. You can see the red light in there, look. There's no red light, Jack. Look, that is someone back there. That's someone back there, I promise. They're videotaping us. You scared us.
Hey, welcome.
Welcome.
This is our top secret hideout. What's the password?
Please.
Nah.
We've been here for like 2 days now and we can't find the way out.
Oh.
So awesome. Well,
That was awesome. That just scratched my explorer itch for extra time for the next little while.
yeah, for the next hour.
I mean,
can't
I'm
get
gonna
enough of this
be
stuff.
quarantined inside, it seems like, so
this
up
was
these
good,
memories.
Yeah.
How random is it we were gonna come out here to get away from people,
And they're,
but we ran into people inside a cave.
I know, that's very random.
Remember earlier today thinking
So weird.
this shouldn't shut down.
What did you expect when I told you there was a surprise?
It's like maybe this is Brock's weird sense of humor and he's gonna show me a deer carcass.
Oh gosh.
That was like one side of things. A cool viewpoint, that was the other one. I didn't really think about it that much, to be honest.
Were you surprised?
Yeah, oh, that was great.
Were you happy about it?
Yeah.
Let's do it
I wanna come
again.
back here.
Okay. Mission accomplished.